Hi, it's day 20. Yesterday, I wasn't able to record the video itself because uh, I felt lazy and I felt exhausted because of the exam. And I wouldn't say it went bad, although I scored 486 out of 720. I don't know what the worst marks I could have gotten, but it's not bad because I have literally got worse marks, but it's okay. I improved 30 marks, I guess. No, not 30. I improved almost 40 marks from the last exam. So I wouldn't say it was all in vain, but I didn't get any good marks, and it's okay. I think, uh, what do we say it? As in the movies, life is not that, you know, beautiful and all. You don't get it at once. The success of your hard work doesn't come with trying it once. You have to try it again and again and again and again. Practice it like no other. Like you have to give your 110%, not even your 101 or even your 105. You have to give it your 110%, right? So yeah, I mean, I'm not that sad, but I felt a little unease in my heart because I studied so much for this AITS. I haven't prepared any hard than this for any AITS, and this was my fourth AITS, and still it didn't went good. But it's okay. I did get into a little bit of better discipline in my day-to-day life, so I will follow it from now also. Let's not skip that. Talking about yesterday, so I would start to like this segment with a quote that I liked so much. I recently read it somewhere on Pinterest. Guess, yep, I guess that was the app. Yeah. So it was something like uh, you can't have uh, you can't have both an easy life and a powerful character. One is a directly antagonistic to another. Okay, what that means is you can't be watching YouTube and listening to blah blah things. Blah blah things, I mean, are the things which doesn't matter for you right now that much for your future, and still you can get your character development. And by character development, it can mean anything in my sense, because it could be me becoming a better person, me becoming successful in the sense of the exam of NEET. So yeah, uh, and I again yesterday watched YouTube. I wouldn't say it was very long, but I did watch it about 2 hours. Yep, around 2 hours for I watched, and for 1 hour I played Minecraft. I won't install it from now on, Minecraft. Okay, so I won't install that game from right now, but I did install it late. And so yeah, yesterday I mean, after coming from the exam, I did not even open a single book. So that was yesterday. But yeah, from today I will prepare. My next exam is an FT, which is a test, fortnightly test. But I won't prepare for it that much. I will prepare for the next AITS because geology syllabus is somewhat overlapping it. I mean, not somewhat, it is overlapping it. And I guess botany is also, like, botany's one chapter is overlapping. So yeah, so I would prepare for AITS rather than FT, because even our teachers will not be able to finish the syllabus of 55. So I don't want to, uh, you know, practice for something which will go in vain. I already know that. So why would I give my time and hard work on that? I would rather prepare for something I know I can get a better score in. So yeah, I will prepare for the next AITS. Now see, the problem is the next FT is on 5 of February, and the next AITS is on 9th of February. So you see the problem, like there is no gap literally, and I have to revise a big syllabus. So from today, we will try to cut it down, and we will try to reduce it as much as we can, and we will from today start the progress of it. And for today's 2 days as technique, I am trying to prepare the dish of human reproduction and electric charges and fields. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. I guess that is it for that day. And also, I will fix my sleep schedule, because I don't want my circadian rhythm to be so, you know, fluid that I start to get unsleepy at every time. Okay, like I can't sleep at any time. I don't want that. So from today, the circadian rhythm of my life would be, I will sleep in the evening from I would say 6 p.m. to 7:40 p.m. 6 p.m. to 7:40. Yeah, that's the right number. Yeah, and in the night we will try to go up to 3 or 4. Okay, and then we will sleep, and then we will wake up the next day at about 7. Okay, so that would be my, what can we say, circadian rhythm. Okay, and also was, one of my classmates, he watched this video. Okay, I don't know how the hell did he get the link of my channel. I think it would be some of my juniors who sometime before asked me about my channel. I think he might have sold to him or some other people. But you know uh, the perception of other people can't change you. Okay, if you know something is good for you, you do you. Okay, and I live by it. And what he said was, why are you making these videos on the internet just to embarrass yourself? Okay, your English is not that good, your accent doesn't match up with your face and personality, then why are you making these videos? You can practice with me, you can practice with some other people, but don't make a fool out of yourself by talking to a screen and showing the world how rubbish your English can be at times. Okay, and at the moment I laughed at that, because uh, you can't say anything bad to your classmates. But what I realized is, people are there to give you them advice, give you their advice, and your beliefs are your beliefs. As Shahrukh Khan says, that your beliefs are your beliefs. That doesn't make you or us, me, a better person than yourself or than others. So yeah, that's the thing. I mean, if somebody gives you an advice, you like it, you take it. If somebody's advice is not for you, not meant for you, you think like that, then push it away. I think that would be a better quote for the day. That when somebody gives advice to you, you do you. Yeah. I mean, my English isn't that bad. It's just that I can't get the flow in the starting, and when somebody sees the video, they think that I can't even speak or spell a word in English. So yeah, that's the thing. Uh, I would say that this would be enough for a video archive, and let's start the day. Okay, let's not forget once again the 2 dishes technique. 2 days, 2 dishes are human reproduction and electric potential and capacitance with the model complete. Okay, and from today on I will make another small video, like of about 5 seconds or 10 seconds, I don't know, and there I will tell the progress of the day. In the night itself, uh, how much I have prepared. See, that would be. I mean, I'm getting late right now for the class, so let's talk for the next time. Until then, signing off, Dikshat Raj.